It's 2024, and if you still don't know what prompt engineering is, I'm sorry, I gotta say, you're missing out quite a lot. By understanding what prompt engineering is and how it works, you can get the perfect response out of it. But there's nothing to be worried about, because in this video, I will show you top 4 tools to master your prompt engineering skills. I'm Gracie, and you're watching AI Fire. But first, before getting into details, we will be talking about prompt engineering. Prompt engineering involves creating prompts, instruction for AI system to get the response you want. Prompts are like questions or commands for AI. When you give a prompt, the AI generates a response based on its training. So why do you need to use prompt engineering tools? Using prompt engineering tools is crucial for several reasons, especially if you're working with artificial intelligence and machine learning models. It could improving accuracy and relevance, saving time and effort, enhancing creativity and output quality, and adapting to different AI models. So these are the tools you will need if you're new to this and want to get in the game. This is a tool designed to optimize the quality of prompts for consistent results from LLMs. Prompt Perfect is particularly useful for developers seeking to enhance the effectiveness of their prompts, ensuring that AI models produce consistent and high-quality responses. PromptGPT is focused on enhancing the prompt engineering process with its low-code, prompt-based development framework. And here's how it aids in prompt creation. Its low-code approach makes creating and refining prompts more accessible to editor, compiler, and runner, streamlining the process of prompt testing and deployment. This ensures your prompts are well-tuned for optimal AI interaction. LangChain is a framework enhancing prompt engineering with language models. Its key features include context-aware applications, reasoning capability, comprehensive library, templates and deployment, and developer support. LangChain is ideal for developing sophisticated and context-rich applications using language models, offering extensive tools for prompt optimization. PromptSource is a toolkit essentials for creating, sharing. PromptSource stands out for its comprehensive and interactive approach to prompt creation and modification, making it a valuable tool for NLP researchers and engineers who require a dynamic or versatile toolkit for their prompt engineering needs. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in a comment if you like this, and I'll see you in the next video.